Hi guys, how you doing? My name's Matthew, welcome to my channel. Usually I build stuff, models, mess around with guitar, whatever I'm doing at the time, update on stuff. 4 years ago, in this very kitchen, I posted a video of a Mark III Ironman helmet made out of EVA foam, and today I finished my mk42 helmet, and this is kind of a do-over, as the last video didn't do very well. Helmet didn't fit, it's too tight, nearly ripped off my nose. So this is the do-over. I made a Ironman helmet out of EVA foam, and it looks like this. Okay. Now, I'm not getting very good light because the light is kind of up back there. Okay, and if I take it further back, you're not going to be able to see it. Okay, so this is the problem. So what I'm going to do is this. If I there's a mk42 Ironman helmet made out of foam. It's heat sealed. It's just waiting for a bit of filler, and then I can put some plastic dip on it, primer it, paint it, and get into a bit of cosplay. Might do some charity events once it's done. My works do a charity event every year, and I'm planning on doing that wearing this, the whole suit, not just this. Currently got the boots finished. I've just started cutting out the arms, and let's do this test fit. Now, my last video doing a test fit. Right. My last video doing the test fit didn't go very well. I'll leave a link below. Go and check it out. Okay. So this is test fit mk42. And it fits, and it comes off, and I still have a nose. So good. I'm going to celebrate. I might have a bit of Jack Daniels, whatever's in the cupboard. But do not use any sharp knives if you are using a bit of Jack Daniels. Subscribe if you want to follow this build, and be good to see you on the next one. Well, you'll be seeing me, I won't be seeing you, unless you want me to. Anyway, thanks for viewing, and check me out soon. Cheers guys.